What's that?
Oh, no! My livelihood caught on fire!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
Oh, thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. I have no clue how that fire started.
What's that sound?
Oh, no! The cornfield caught on fire, too! It's popcorn everywhere! Oh! What on earth is causing all these fires?
Look, it's a dragon! It caught the flu and it's sneezing. Fire!
And it's heading for the city!
Uh-oh! After it, Morphle! Look, Morphle! The dragon is close to the hospital. Dr. Abraham, there's a sick dragon in the city.
Oh, no! Hey there, big fella. I've got some medicine for you.
Morphle, morph into a crane.
I found you.
Now it's your turn to hide, Cloud Monster. Found you.
It's so fun when you guys are around. Usually I just play hide and seek by myself. And I never ever find anyone. It's even worse when I'm the one hiding.
Oh, Morphle and I are never alone because we have each other. You know what? I know how we can help you get a best friend, too. With this life ray that I borrowed from Professor Rashid, we can make you a friend.
Boy, oh boy. Hi, friend. Hi. I'm the cloud monster. What is your name? Let's play hide and seek. You find me. Hi, friend, come find me. Oh, even the friend that we made just for me doesn't want to play with me.
I just think your new friend doesn't like playing hide and seek. I think he likes playing ball games.
But I like hide and seek.
Then why don't we come up with a game that is both hide and seek and a ball game?
Oh boy, he's coming. Oh boy.
No! Give that back! You'll have to catch us first, old man! Mila, Morphle, the bandits have stolen my time racer! Aha! So that's what this is.
Let's go do some crime through time. Yeah.
Oh, no!
Morph into a time racer too, Morphle! There they are!
Time to crime in a different time, Stein.
Hold it!
But the bandits!
No buts, m'lady. I am Knight Peterian Frost, and you are trespassing in my medieval village.
Oh no! Morph into a dragon, Morphle!
Just you wait, you dragon. I'm going to get my real sword.
Ride's over, princess. Are you all right, my little princess?
Yes, dear father. Thanks to these curious travelers. Mila? Me? No. I'm Princess Leela, and this is Sir Father. I'm Mila, and this is Morphle. Morphle.
A pleasure to meet you both. Say, do you perhaps know where those awful bandits have taken our treasure?
I might. Morphle, morph back into a big time racer.
That's right. You better run. No dragons in my village.
We're rich, Stein.
Yes. Maybe we can stop stealing now. Nah.
Hand over that treasure, you scoundrels.
Oh, let's go, Yorn.
let's run out.
Quickly, the other car! Oh, not cool. You made this contraption, good sir? Are you a wizard?
Oh, well, no. I'm a scientist.
How curious.
Well, if you have a moment.
Sir Father seems to thoroughly enjoy it here. Well, you are welcome to visit anytime, whenever you want.
Circumference of the Earth by c, which is, of course, the speed of light. You're right.
I think we will.
That is divisible only by 3 known irrational cofactorials. And this was an escape.
Morphle, morph into a robot.
That was spectacular! Ooh, let's see what our heroes Mila and Morphle have to say. You caught the bandits once again. You must be super excited.
Yeah, Morphle can do anything. He's the best magic pet ever.
Aww. Close up on the emotions. This was Charlotte's scoop for PRY News.
Mila and Morphle, can you help? My ball is stuck on the roof. Of course. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Amazing! Mila and Morphle just helped this boy get back his ball. The one thing that makes him happiest. Tell the audience, how does that make you feel?
Okay, I guess.
Oh, I can't wait to see what they will do next.
Whoa!
Please tell the viewers all about what you are doing right now.
We are setting the table?
Wow, setting the table and setting a great example for kids all over the world.
Not again.
What are you going to do today?
We're not going to do anything today. Morphle, morph into a race car.
Wait!
Oh no! Morphle, go faster! Morph into a speedboat, Morphle!
A speedboat! Exciting! When did you first develop your deep love for the ocean?
How did you... never mind. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Whew. Surely she can't follow us into the air.
Wait! I still have more questions to ask you! Oh no!
Morphle, we need to help her.
Thank you for saving me, Mila and Morphle.
If you hadn't followed us, this wouldn't have happened. I hope you learned your lesson.
I sure did. That was spectacular! I, for one, can't wait to see what Mila and Morphle will do tomorrow.
Oh, no.
I'm training for the bull riding competition, but I only have this cow.
Morphle, morph into a big bull. Okay, Morphle, this is the game. Farmer Bob is going to hold on as tightly as possible. And you try to do whatever you can to throw him off.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, yeah! Woo! Yippee! Ha! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
Morphle, no!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no! Are you okay, Farmer Bob?
I'm great! What a rush! This was the best rodeo training I could ever imagine. Thanks a lot, Morphle.
Morphle, you are the best pet ever.
Well, I have a magic pet too now.
Aw, that's such a cute bunny. Are you sure it's a magic pet?
Yeah, of course. Its magic power is that it...
Look, over there! It's the bandits! Now, we are the bunny bandits!
With this special magic pet, we will be unstoppable.
Morphle, morph into a police car. After them, Morphle.
It's so cute! But what does it do? Wow!
Oh no!
The bandits are gone. Where did they go?
My magic pet's superpower is that it...
If the bunny is scared, it grows like a balloon.
I think it's starting to like me.
Oh no! If the bunny is not scared, we will fall. Scare the bunny, Yorn.
I'm not going to scare the bunny, Stein. It's my friend. You are a sweetheart, honey bunny, aren't you?
Look up there in the sky.
Wow!
We need to save them, Morphle.
Whoa!
I'll take care of you two.
Bye-bye, Bunny!
Oh no! Look, Morphle! A dragon is eating from our barbecue! Morphle, morph into a dragon too! Now, try to chase it away! I have an idea! He took the bait. Let's go, Morphle! Hi! I have an idea!
Whoa!
The forest is full of all sorts of different animals. No. There are no tigers in the forest. They live in the jungle. But there are bees and ants living there, and little bunnies.
Aw, he's cute! You look like a very big bunny now, Morphle.
There are no kangaroos in the forest. They live on the plains of Australia.
Wow, is that a fox?
Yes, Sarah. That's a very beautiful little fox.
Monkey!
No. There are no monkeys in the forest. You will never see any monkeys here.
Look! Monkeys!
Oh, these naughty monkeys escaped from the zoo when I told them it was time for their bath. Whew. How will I ever find them here in this forest?
Don't worry, Zookeeper Kenneth. I think we can help.
A parrot? Ah, that's the first one. A dog? And the second one. crocodile? And that's the third. I'm sorry you have to take a bath, but, how about some ice cream when you're clean? Monkeys in this forest. How about that?
I think any animal could be in the forest when Morphle is around. Morphle, morph into a race car. Look, guys. I have a real race car.
I have a race car too.
Where is it?
Right here. Vroom, vroom.
I have a race car too. Yay, Morphle! We're in first place. But look, there's a tree blocking the road. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo.
My car could just jump over it.
No, it can't. Cars can't just jump over stuff.
Well, mine can, because it could grow robot legs.
Wow! My car could grow unicorn wings. Whoa, watch out! It's lava! Morphle, morph into a rocket ship!
My robot race car has super booster rockets.
My unicorn race car has a magic horn. It can make magic portals. Let's see how you can keep up with this. Rocket ships can go really, really fast. Hey, where's Sarah and Troy? Let's go back, Morphle. Hey, guys, why didn't you keep up?
Morphle is way too fast for us.
You know what? Why don't you guys join me inside Morphle the rocket ship? We can share. Morphle, morph into a dragon. What? Morphle turned back to normal.
Don't worry, Morphle will have his magic powers back in 10 seconds. This is Nully. He's a new magic pet I have. He can temporarily take away the powers of other magic pets. That's why I can't keep it with the other magic pets in the Magic Pet store. Will the two of you watch it for me?
Of course, Daddy. We can play hide and seek together.
Okay, see you later.
Did you hear that? With this new magic pet, we can finally defeat Morphle.
Oh no! Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Not this time.
Oh no!
Where are they?
That fridge is very red, don't you think? Zap it!
We found you!
Run, Morphle! Morphle, morph into something to hide with again.
Morphle, no can't morph yet.
Oh no, we have to wait.
Now we've got you.
Morphle, morph into a
There's nothing you can do.
mirror. Now Nully won't be able to use his magic powers for 10 seconds.
Oh no.
Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Run, Stein, run!
Get me out of here.
Look, Morphle, that elephant is stuck between 2 trees. Morphle, morph into a robot. Doesn't have any more water to drink. Morphle, morph into an elephant. Now you can take some water from over there and use it to fill the camel's trough. Look, Morphle! What's wrong, monkeys? Morphle, morph into a camel.